Hello student, myself Anil Dobria. Student, today we are doing a very good chapter. We are discussing formula of this chapter, chapter number 12. This is Heron's formula. Heron's formula. So student, this formula is used for find the area of a triangle. So you can find area of any triangle from this formula, but particularly this formula is used for a scalene triangle. Area of scalene triangle whose all sides are different. All of you, there are three types of triangle. I already told you. One triangle is equilateral triangle. One triangle is equilateral triangle, all of you. So if you want to find its area, the triangle whose all sides are equal is called equilateral triangle. If you want to find its area, so you can use this formula also, root 3/4 a square. You can use Heron formula, but you can use basically we using this formula for finding area of a equilateral triangle. Single type of triangle is isosceles triangle. So in isosceles triangle, the two sides of triangle are equal like this. These two sides are AA, and one side is different, that longest side. So you can find this area by this formula, a upon 4 into a upon 4 into this, then 4b square minus a square. This is the formula of finding area of a isosceles triangle. Now we have a third scalene triangle. So in scalene triangle, all the sides are different. All of you. If this is A, this is B, this is C. So basically the Heron's formula is used for the finding the area of this triangle, but you can find the area of any triangle by this formula if you want to find. So this is a triangle ABC. So we have to find what Heron formula. So area of triangle ABC is equal to S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. This is the formula. This is the formula of finding. And how this S you will find? So this is a semi perimeter of this triangle. So it will be find like this, A plus B plus C upon 2, where 2S is a perimeter. 2S is perimeter of this. 2S is the perimeter of this triangle. So these are the formula. You can write formula here. Now we are discussing one question based on this. This is a very good formula and very good question we are discussing right now. So question number 1 of exercise 12.1. Exercise 12.1, question number 1 I am doing, all of you. So this is the question. A traffic signal board includes school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of signal board using the Heron's formula. Its perimeter is given. What will be the area of the signal board? You have a signal board like this, all of you. You have a signal board like this, all of you. You've seen many times. Here we have written school ahead. Aage school hai. This is the signal. Now all the sides are equal. It is already given A sides A. Now we have to find area of this triangle by Heron's formula, and its perimeter. Perimeter is generally denoted by 2S. I told you already. This is the sum of A plus B plus C is equal to 180. We have given, all of you. 180 we have given. So A plus B plus C we have given 180, all of you. And all the sides are equal right now. All the sides are A is equal to 180. So its side will come 3A is equal to 180. So its A will be 180 upon 3. So 60 is coming, all of you. 60 centimeter, because this is in centimeter, so it will also come in centimeter. So its all sides are of 60 centimeter, and 2S we already have given. 2S is 180. So S will be 180 upon 2. So S will come 90, all of you. We got S, we got A. Now we will find its area, and you know the formula of area by Heron formula. So it is, the formula is under root S minus A. Area of triangle is equal to, this is the formula, all of you, S minus A S minus B and S minus C. This is the formula. You have to put values, all of you. So what is the value of S? This is 90, and 90 minus 60, here 90 minus 60, and again 90 minus 60, because all sides are equal, because it is an equilateral triangle. So this 90 into 90 minus 60 is 30 into 30 into 30. Now we have to make its pair. All of you, 90 can be written as 33 into 30. 30 is already here, 30 is already here, 30 is already here. So pair is 2 pairs of 30 30 is coming here. So what will be the area of it? Its area will be 30 30 will come before root, and 3 will be here, so into 3, so it will be 900 root 3 centimeter square, all of this. So today we discuss formula of all the triangles, not only scalene triangle, all the triangles formula I told you today. There are 3 types of triangle. Equilateral, if we know its 2 sides, so also we know it's 1 side, so we can find its area like this, root 3 upon 4 side square. Isosceles triangle, a side, these 2 sides are equal and this side is different, so area will be a upon 4 under root 4b square minus a square. And scalene triangle, generally its formula is find like this by Heron formula. So it is under root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, and s we can find like this. So one question we discuss on it, all of you. So this is the question. In this we have given a board school ahead, and sides we find, because its perimeter is already given. S we find and we put it in value, and this is coming, all of you. One more formula of finding area of triangle we have here. When you have given a base and its perpendicular height, this is a very general formula, you are using it from 7th class. So that formula is area of triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 base into height. This is the very basic formula, so we are using it whenever you have given a base and its perpendicular height, so you can use this formula. So revise this formula and understand this question. We will do some more question in our live class tomorrow. Thank you very much.